Hey everyone, this is Daryl from Daily Crypto Trade Signals coming to you live from Vietnam, guys. This is our evening time, drive time update, and we got lots to talk about. We're going to talk about Dogecoin price, we're going to talk about Bitcoin price, we're going to talk about Ethereum, we're going to talk about Phantom, and the big news is it looks like one of the Dogecoin developers just quit, guys. And that is surprising. I mean, I was really shocked when I read this on Twitter, and I was kind of disappointed because this is one of the more active Dogecoin developers, and so we're going to talk about that. What does that mean to you? What does it mean to me out there and the Dogecoin community? And it looks like we got the Red Bear Debbie Downer Day. I got the Alien in the house too, and I got the Dino, but the Dino ain't helping, guys. We got the whole crew here, but it's not helping, guys. So the Alien says we need to get this market moving. We need to get things going uppity up, guys. So keep positive out there. I know a lot of you are kind of like wondering what's going on. We're seeing a lot of consolidation in the crypto space. We have the FOMC meetings that came out. They basically said that look, we're going to be doing a rate hike. They didn't tell us how many basis points. I think it's only probably about 50 basis points in the house, and that's going to happen in March. That's pre-baked into the market, so it's nothing new. And we got the jobless data coming out today as well at the 8:30 Eastern Standard Time. So that could have an impact on the broader markets. Remember, this is not financial advice. It's just OG expressing opinion. I'm not a licensed financial advisor. And I've got my lucky my lucky bull black shirt on, so hopefully that will make things go up. So remember, I'm not a licensed financial advisor. This is just OG in the house, guys. Do go back and watch all my other videos. Do it right now, guys. Don't forget to go down there, smash the likes, subscribe, and make a comment and share this video with your friends. Get the message out there for the OG guys. I would really love it if you guys could do that. And right now we're seeing that the pre-markets are down, down, slightly down. So it's anybody's guess if we're going to go up, if we're going to go down, guys. So who knows? Let's jump into it, guys. If you're looking, take a look at the heat map analysis. We're seeing that Bitcoin, Ethereum, and all the altcoins are still in the red zone. That's not where we want to see, guys and gals. But interestingly, the fear and greed is at 52 right now, and that's up from where we are yesterday. So the total social sentiment is pretty positive in the house, guys. Big announcement that's coming out today. We got the initial jobless claims that are coming out at 8:30 today, Standard Eastern Time. So keep an eye on that. And if the jobless claims are less than what we anticipated, that could drive the markets up, that could drive BIDI up, could drive the Doge up, guys. So keep watching, smash that likes. We've got the big Dogecoin developer QUITS news that we're going to talk about. So keep watching, guys, keep watching. And the Alien says, keep watching, keep watching. And you're going to love it. I love it. Let's get it, guys. So we're seeing right now that Bitcoin is at $43,284 in the house, and it's not doing too bad. I mean, sure, it's down from 45,000. That's some huge resistance level, but we're still being supported by my horizontal support. So don't give up hope just yet, guys. We could see things absolutely moving to the upside. But I think we're going to see a lot of range boundness for the next couple days. We might even see just continuing on ranging between like 45,000 and 42,000, and we could see that happening probably all the way to the end of the month, guys. So this support line starts around 42,000 and up to 45,000. So don't stress out, don't beat me up if that's what we see happening, and that is absolutely what could be happening. Bitcoin on the daily is still being supported by my white line, so that is still okay. It's still holding as a support. And if we look at the Bitcoin on the daily, our parallel channel is still being supported, guys and gals. So I'm still pretty bullish, but this is kind of like the doldrums right now. It's a huge conundrum what's going on right now with crypto and Bitcoin and Dogecoin. Everything's just going to go sideways. So it's pretty boring in the house right now. So we're seeing this from Alan Yu. No surprise from the FOMC meeting that I talked about, but 50 basis points rate hike in March meeting seems less likely, and also no clear time frame on the quantitative easing, guys. So markets are pricing more hawkish Fed, so the minutes provide some relief until the next CPI and employment print. So let's see what happens, guys. In the meantime, risk on. So we're still seeing a lot of risk, a lot of volatility in crypto markets. But right now, you guys have to understand that Bitcoin is not dumping. Bitcoin is not going down. It's going sideways. So that is good, guys. That is actually a positive thing. So you guys should be pretty bullish about that. So you guys, we all have been Debbie Downers, but you guys just have to remember, this is where we were. This is Elon Musk, and he's talking about Dogecoin, and he's talking about why it's important and why he thinks and why he loves Dogecoin, guys. So let's take a look at. Let's listen to this right now, guys, and just take us back, guys. Take us back.
The point is that Dogecoin was invented as a joke, essentially to make fun of cryptocurrency. And that's why I think there's like an argument, like fate loves irony. Like the most entertaining outcome is the most, like, what would be the most ironic outcome? That the currency that was invented as a joke, in fact, becomes the real currency. Right.
Wow.
No, absolutely. So, to the moon. To the moon.
So you guys have to remember that Dogecoin was created as a joke. It was kind of created to kind of throw mud and basically make fun of crypto space. But over the time, what's happening is the Dogecoin is going to become the cryptocurrency of the world, guys. We're seeing that the transaction fees are low. We're seeing that the speeds are getting pretty fast. We got Elon Musk still supporting the Dogecoin, and we still got a big, huge community behind us. And with the Ethereum bridge, the Doge one coming, guys, do not give up on the Doge, guys. So guys, keep positive, keep it on, and keep positive, guys. So I just want to take you guys back in time and remember why we're here, what are we doing here. So guys, show some love, smash the likes and subscribe. So this is also bullish news is coming. Ukrainian parliament has passed legislation making cryptocurrency legal, guys. So the Ukrainian parliament has now mandated, and now cryptocurrency is legal, guys. So that's a huge in the house, guys. Absolutely huge, guys. You guys should love it. So I'm gonna heart that one. So that is pretty cool beans in the house, guys. Some other news is coming in right now. Bitcoin briefly dips below 43,000 and Fed says rate hike is soon appropriate. So we did see that Bitcoin did go below 43,000, and we all know that we're going to see a rate hike in March coming in, and that was after Wednesday's FOMC meeting. But stocks also fear geopolitical instability. So we got the rate hikes, we got the geopolitical instability in Ukraine, we got the Canada thing going on. So this is not a good time to be alive right now in terms of crypto and the whole space. But I'm not worried. This is just a minor setback, and we're going to see crypto going up. We're going to see Dogecoin going up. We still got to talk about the huge Dogecoin news right now. So we're seeing right now that UAE reportedly plans to issue federal crypto license for VSAPs. So what they're saying is that if you're going to be a broker, or if you're going to be trading or an official platform of crypto, you're going to have a regulation. You're going to have a license, guys. Bullish news in house. So Twitter enables users to give and receive Ethereum tips natively. So this is pretty awesome, guys. So users will still need to provide a full Ethereum address. However, an ENS domain have not yet been integrated. So right now, before you could only add a Bitcoin address, you could only add Patreon, but now you can start to add your Ethereum address. So that is pretty cool in the house. So Twitter's becoming more and more crypto friendly, guys. So this is BTC at the same stage as mid-June 2021. See white arrows. So this is from what you can see here is if you go back to June, you can see that Bitcoin is in exactly the same place, printing the same conditions before we had a huge meteoric rise to the upside, and we printed almost $70,000 in the house. So if you guys zoom out, Wendy Trendy is your friendly, you can see that things are still looking good for Bitcoin, looking good for crypto, and this is just a brief downturn, a brief consolidation. I still believe that we are not in the bear market, but we are still in a bullish market, and this is a micro trend within a huge bullish trend. And I believe that the market cycle has extended. It's getting longer and longer, guys. Smash the likes and subscribe in us. So here's the big news. This is from Ross Nickel. Basically, he's quit, guys. And as I suspect a lot of you have figured out, I've been failing with having workload from Dogecoin on top of full-time job. I'm stepping back to advisor to being an advisor of the foundation to reduce workload for myself while supporting the foundation. So this is not good news in the house, because Ross Nickel has been one of the most active developers out there. And it's sad to see him going. Sure, he's going to be in an advisory role, but at the end of the day, once again, we need to understand that those developers are not being paid full-time by any large organization or group. And if you're watching this video, brother, you need to pony up some cash, and you need to start paying these Doge developers so they can sit full-time and create for the Dogecoin Foundation and help move Dogecoin faster and faster ahead, guys. So this is going to be really important. If we can actually see that Elon Musk can start funding and creating the Dogecoin Corporation and the Dogecoin Foundation and organization and start funding people, this would be huge, guys. This is absolutely huge, and we need that to happen, because the last thing we need is more Doge developers basically moving from full-time developing and moving off into advisors. Because if we have 1,000 advisors but no one actually doing the coding, we're not going to move forward as a project, guys. So comment, tell me what you think about that. Let's take a look at the Dogecoin price right now. So right now we're seeing that Dogecoin is at 1478. It's exactly where it was earlier today. It's basically unchanged. All the cryptos have been going sideways all day, all night. And you know, it's getting pretty boring, getting pretty lethargic out there. Let's take a look at Shiba Weeby right now. Shiba Weeby is also doing exactly the same thing. It's exactly the same as it was earlier today when I woke up this morning here in Vietnam. And it's trading right now at 31.14, and you know, it's just going sideways. It's the doldrums, guys. It's absolutely doldrums. Let's take a look at the wreckage in the house. So, but right now in the 24 hours, we're seeing 149 million people have been wrecked. Remember, we got CME futures coming this Friday, so I expect more volatility coming out. And we're seeing that most of the positions are been long positions. So you can see here in the last 4 hours, you can see that there's been a huge spike in the number of long positions that have been wrecked, and the market makers are pushing Bitcoin price down to basically liquidate most of the longs. So a lot of people have been taking a lot of long positions, and market makers are wrecking those positions that have more money on either side of the aisle, guys. So we can see a reversal coming probably this Friday. We could probably see that the market makers are going to start pushing the price up, and that'll start liquidating the shorts. Because what's going to happen once these long leverage apes start losing money, they're going to be buying back positions, shorting the Bitcoin, and they think that they can outsmart. So stop doing it. Stop leverage trading, because you're making it difficult for everybody else out there, guys. So let's jump into the Ethereum price. So right now we're seeing the Ethereum price is unchanged. It's still above the $3,000 support level, so that is pretty good. And as I said earlier, it looks like we're painting a bull flag here, and you know, from the top of the flagpole to the top, and I take that as a measured move, we could see ourselves getting up to $3,500 in the not too short time, guys. So what can I say? It looks terrible. Things are going down. Things are going sideways. It's boring. And I know a lot of you newbies out there, a lot of the retail investors are still wetting the bed and panicking out there. Stop it, stop it, stop it. Stop looking at your portfolio. Stop psyching yourself out, guys. And even the Debbie Downer says stop psyching yourself. The alien says stop psyching yourself out, guys. Stop it, stop it, stop it. We're going to be fine. We're going to get through this together with the OG, with the Crypto Daily Trade Signal community, the community of love. We're going to get through it. I want to give a big shout out to David Racine, Dragon in the house, Karen in the house. Big shout out to Sam. Sam, hey brother, you got your shout out. A big shout out to everybody out there. Dick Asper in the house. Kate, D, all my community. Jamie 365, TK from Australia. Yeah, brother, thank you for all the super chats. And if you're watching, do give a super chat and support the channel. Let's take a look at Phantom in the house. Phantom is breaking down again, and this has become resistance here. This has become sloping resistance, upper sloping resistance. And right now we're seeing the Phantom is $2.33. And let's take a look at Solana in the house. Solana is, like I said, it's just going sideways in this channel. And this channel is basically, we got a support of 94 cents. And we've got resistance at 102. So it is what it is, guys. Let's take a look at the markets overall. We're seeing that the market cap has gone up a little bit to 1.99 trillion, and the 24-hour volume is 48.89 billion, and the Bitcoin dominance is 41.33. Let's take a look at the OG portfolio in the house, guys. Let's do it right now. We're seeing that the OG portfolio right now, remember, this is not financial advice, it's the OG expressing its opinion, and we're seeing right now the OG portfolio is still up 40%. We're still in profit, $2,000, and we're at about $7,000. We're down about 1.75% today, but we could see reversals. We're going to see volatility, and we're going to see lots of volatility until we start to hit spring and summer. Then we're going to start to see things move. So let's take a look at the carnage in the house. The carnage in the house. So we're seeing pretty much a Debbie Downer day. We're seeing Bitcoin is down 1.67%. It's at 43,300, but it's up from where it was earlier. I mean, it went as low as $43,000 today. So we have recovered a little bit. We're seeing that Ethereum is still holding on to $3,000, and it's at 3069. It's up 1.54%. And we're seeing that ADA is also at 107, down 1.69%. We're seeing that Solana in the house is at down 2.86, and that's at 99 cents. We're seeing Luna is also down. We're seeing that DOT is down. Doge is down 1%, it's at 14.7628. We're seeing that Shiba Inu is up, so it's defying the odds. So overall, we're seeing a lot of red, guys. So we're seeing a lot of carnage out there. I know a lot of you guys are getting depressed and displaced out there. So cheer up, guys. Absolutely cheer up in the house. Stop panicking. We're gonna get there together. Together, we're in it together. Remember, diamond hands, diamond hands. You got to be in it to win it. So stay in it, guys. Don't panic. Go down there and follow me on Twitter, guys. Smash the like, subscribe. Super chats are welcome. Don't forget to comment. And don't forget to go down and check out all my linky winkies below. Become a Patreon member, buy the channel a coffee, and don't forget to check out all the merch, guys. Get the mug, get the backpack, get the pillow, willow. We've got some cool stuff. Get the cap, guys. We've also got, t-shirts, singlets, aprons. We even got baby clothes, guys. So go and check out the merch. Go do it, guys. You want it. I want it. And don't forget to go and check out the Wifey's channel. I'll see you guys in the next one. God bless each and every one. This is Ric Flair of Crypto in the house saying, I love it. You love it. Let's get it. Woo!